Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about arrow functions in JavaScript. First, I'm going to write a regular function by using function, and I will name it print name, and this function will take an argument, name argument, and then we are going to just print our name with the console dot log and the name. I will run this JavaScript file with Node, and I need to call this function by using print name and passing in my name, same equal, and save it and just run, and you can see it printed my name, semicolon. Now I'm going to make it a arrow function. To make it a arrow function, I will remove this function and make it this print name as a constant. You can also use as a let, and then pass in this argument as name, and this is equal sign, and now we need to add this arrow sign after this argument, and just save it. And run our code again, and when I run with the node, it prints the same thing. So what I did over here is change the function name to a constant, and then equal sign, and set its value, and pass in the argument, and then add a arrow sign, and then our start and end of the function, and then just the log the name the same way we did the normal function. We can also pass in more than one argument, such as here I'm going to pass the number now as 2, and over here I will name it x, and just pass in x over here to the console and run our script again, and you can see when I run it, it printing the name and that the number we pass. If we are not sending any arguments, such as an empty over here, we need to remove this and just print something such as hi, and you need the empty parentheses over here, and just print a hi, and when I execute our arrow demo, you can see it printed hi. You can also return a value, such as I'm going to send in number 2 and 5, and here x and y, and just return. I'm just gonna remove this. Going to return sum of x plus y, and over here just print the return value. Console dot log, and here, and just save it. And you can see it printed the sum and the return value. If you are sending just a single argument, you don't need a parenthesis, but if you're sending more than one, then you require to have a parenthesis and the argument inside that parenthesis, such as over here I'm just gonna pass 10, and it goes over here, and just we return back again, and then it get printed over here. Just run our arrow demo again, and you can see the return value printed. So this way you can use arrow function in JavaScript, and we will be using this one in our React app. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.